Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about GoMining. So it's going to be a review if it's legit or a scam. This is just going to be a quick one guys because I can wrap this up in a few minutes, and trust me when I say it's not legit. Because basically GoMining is just using your computer power to mine for Bitcoin, which they will already take a cut, and whatever you invest, let's just say you invested $1,000 into GoMining, you won't get that same return. You will even get less, okay? So all cloud computing mining are scams because basically they take away your computer power, your phone power, or any computing power because cloud compute is what they do. That's their business. And then they say they have discounts and all, but basically when you say the net reward right here is 18 and the payback period is of 1 year, 6 months, I wouldn't trust that. It only says anticipated ROI. It didn't say ROI in general because it's only anticipated, meaning it will still go down and will still go up rather than fixed ROI. And then here you'll see your computing power. It will depend on what device you have. Next is your energy efficiency. And remember, guys, you won't ever get the same money you'll invest in Go Mining when you cash out. So as you can see right here, they have 5-star reviews, yes, because they are actually kind of legit. But when you invest the such that it will only return about 70% of what you already have given. So it's like you're losing money to do something that's already hard to do. So as you can see, there's already a lot of people who are scammed right here. So do not trust them. Nothing's changed. So I wouldn't trust this. And basically, I already went through this 3 years back in 2021 when I tried go mining myself. And I've seen the prices and I've seen people who have done it for years and have not taken profit at all. So I would say that it's basically just not legit. So there you go, guys. That's my verdict, and thank you.